Hi, I'm Kenneth Kondas, author and photographer of Amazing Photography, The Art of Composition. I'm analyzing the sky photo called Above the Clouds. And we're going to cover three elements of composition. First is aerial perspective, second is ellipses, and third is dynamic symmetry. Starting with ellipses, you can see I'll turn on the ellipses and you can see how these clouds are creating implied holes. Circular shapes are implied by the holes in the clouds. Okay, next up, aerial perspective. Now, so there's depth in this photo and it's created by the atmosphere. You know, the clouds. So what we have is a foreground element. We have the clouds in the midground, and then all the way back on the land is the background. Dynamic symmetry. Here we have the ratio, the 1.5 ratio grid. Okay, this is a 3:2 aspect ratio image, 3 wide by 2 high. Here we have the Baroque diagonal, the major diagonal that runs from this corner to this corner. And what we could do is we could see that it is lining up perfectly with the wing and also with the jet. Okay, the other thing that's happening is if you look down here at the sinister diagonal, you'll see these points. There's a point here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me take this, let me turn this off, turn this back on. See how these points are lining up with this sinister diagonal? That's also going on right here. For great compositional videos, visit amazingphotography.net.